Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for Cardano. Targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in, guys. Once again, take a look on this chart. And some people still won't believe in the market makers and the algorithm. So, guys, absolutely everything what we see in the chart, just control it on the centralized exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, no matter what. So the market makers, everything totally controlled. Because take a look where the soft, of course, it's not manually. The soft delivered the price to the right target in the right moment because of that tariffs from Trump. We dump it again to 18 level by FIB. So with this FIB relevant, and we track this FIB since 2022, all zones relevant for the future, just for the next cycle. This is one, of course, on the hard mode, but for the future, if you're not sure where to buy the token for spot, for accumulation, for long run, better wait the 27 block, better wait no matter what happened in the market, even if it took like 3 years. So the people who bought it here in August 24 and token pump it, people blindly hop in here at $1.30 because the influencers shield you, we go into the moon, go into the $5, $10, and all of this Cardano cool to token posts, paid or not, or I don't know. Hoskinson also shield this token like all the time, like something special, but nothing special behind that Cardano. For now. And people blindly hop in here and say, no, it's impossible. It will never happen. So we'll drop again to your fancy zone. But we dump it 32, 35, 11 cents, 17. This zone still relevant, still in play. Can we drop under 26 cents easily, guys? Who could predict? So here we're gonna dump 72%. Nobody. So why you think we can now not dump 60%? Why? So ask yourself, do you have some 100% confidence so we will not drop? Of course not, guys. This zone can be relevant, for the years. And this is zone for accumulation because this is a global chart of Cardano. That's why, guys, never say never. Usually we can come back and close the 50% of this week. So it will be a pretty good one. If we drop to 48.69, I'm not sure we will. That time in the last videos, I showed you I don't like when we leave the 3 echo lows, because when we test some level, this level become weaker. If we bounce it from the level and come back to that level again and again and again, this level is not a strong support. It's a weak support because here the buyers spend some money, the logics. Think about a price action like logical things. Here's a buyers buying, pump, sellers dump. Buyers buying again, dump. Buy it again, and on the next one, it's not enough the money to buy every single dip because the influencers shield you to buy every single dip, but the people don't have unlimited money, unlimited budgets. And then we landed with a Trump announcement or without, we could dump at least to sweep these lows and the close of the weekly gap. Nobody could expect. So we're going to drop that low, but at least we stop it at the logical level. Like 18 level by FIB again. Kind of weird, I don't understand why. Here, the market makers dump exactly to sweep that lows. Today on the link, I showed you absolutely the same story. Why they dump exactly here? Because I think because of soft programmers to sweep that liquidity pool. But I'm more than sure, nobody hold with the 100x leverage, so they will liquidate that, guys, or 50x leverage from this level. Since August 24, the position. Nobody hold the yearly position. Come on. You could waste southern money on funding. So it's not make sense to hold the position that long, like over than 1 year. That's why I don't know why we dump it here to that low, to sweep that low. Basically no makes sense. So like conclusion, guys, technically it's good time. It will be the good time to buy back Cardano, of course, 32.11, this one zone. If we not drop again and not test 32, I think more than okay. Try to catch some knives at 48 cents. This is it. This is my idea. Can we go from now to the top? Yes, of course. Targets for Cardano, I think irrelevant. I don't think so. The $1.30 was the end of cycle for the Cardano. $1.92 and the new all-time high $4.55. Still relevant, still in play. Matter of time when we will see the targets. If we check the daily, week, what we can see here, 45, maybe. So 49, no, 45, 48, 45, it's maybe okay zone for speculation. I will wait at the 32. If not, I'm more than okay to skip the Cardano. I don't care about this token. So let's double check now with indicator set. What's happening now? Here was a distribution, December 24, no accumulation signals. Now we're just in the middle. Kind of weird. We formed the warranty, right? Yes, because here was a here from that low, another low, and another low, because we sweep the tiny penny. We sweep it. So formally, we hit the warranty on the ADZ on the weekly. It's bullish. It's bullish. What I don't like on direction, no signal for accumulation. Accumulation was here, now nothing. Even we dump that low. Daily, yes, daily it's accumulation. It's good. Signals 2 hour of Cardano was here in June 25. Of course, not at the top of the top, but indicators can't predict what Trump will say next, what will happen in the world, And of course, you have to combine together with your trading strategy and not trade just by signals, Indicators can't predict the news. They work with the current data, and the data are dynamic. So everything changes every single hour. Now, what we can see on a daily? Daily, this was a capitulation on that dump. Now bounce. This disbelief. It's bullish. A daily time frame or weekly time frame here. This is bullish. Last time, guys, on the history, when we saw the bullish, we traded here in August. Since August till October, so basically it took 2 months. We can trade maybe till end of the year. It would be pretty bad because we're gonna waste the time if we're gonna trade till end of the year in this range, like 74, 32. Will be pretty sad. We're gonna waste a lot of time. And after that, I think we'll recover back. Spring 2026, maybe cycle will be extended time. But now it's definitely a disbelief area on Cardano on the weekly. It's good. It's bullish also. The trade on and money power. Trade on was sell, buy back, no new signal to buy. Daily, at least difference between the link and the Cardano, we see the signal take profit on the daily. It's good. On link, still not. Even with that dump, it's kind of weird. This was a buy. I wish to see the drop 50% or even test 32 again, and signal to buy again. It was a signal to buy, a local bounce from 62 to 73. And now no money inflow yet. It's kind of bad. No money inflow also on the money power. So I highly recommend you track with my customer set, so you will see everything by yourself. Because everything changed, everything dynamic. The last indicator, guys, take profit. Buy line on the daily now, 54.73. Take profit $1.08, exit line $1.22, fundamental value 40 cents, 12 time frame buy line, most likely we're gonna test 54.20, fundamental value 40.26. Weekly, here the people screaming we never drop to your zones. What are you talking about here in zone 24? We landed exactly to the buy line 43.47. We tested and bounced it. So even if you here add alert and limit order to buy at the buy line, so you can just press like this one, take profit, and add alert to the buy line. And wait, maybe it took the 3, 5, half year, months. I mean, half year, 5 months, 7 months. But one day we're gonna land it back to the buy line, guys. And it's usually a great time to accumulation. So the buy line on the weekly now it's 43.35. The lines are dynamic, so I will be not surprised, and it will be the amazing scenario if, for example, next week the line will be around 45 cents, for example, and we're gonna test it, hold the line, and go higher. Monthly, we tested a buy line on the monthly 34.70. For the value was 25.70. So Now, it's not bullish, not bearish, but I'm more about a continuation of the trend. I don't think so. The December 24 was the end of cycle for the altcoins. So this is it, guys. Targets I showed you, I'm better wait to the some small pull back down, you know, on ADA. And after that, maybe speculate. I don't want to buy the Cardano for the spot. Maybe I will speculate with the future. So guys, all targets I showed you. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.